This is a brand new filter from the Dyson air purifier. And this is a used filter that's been in the consumer's home. You can see it looks pretty disgusting, but this is a good example of the material that is in the air that the air purifier has taken out that you wouldn't want to be breathing in. We took filters that have been in real home environments in order to identify what had been captured. Of course, we found allergens, which many people are sensitive to. You can see a whole lot of different fibres on there, which will be dog and cat hair, for instance. We can actually start to determine what sort of moulds were on the filter and therefore what sort of moulds were in the air. Each of these different colours is a different species of bacteria that's been determined by its DNA profile. And this is a graph of what we found on 8 filters. So we've got bacilli, we've got streptococcus. You wouldn't really want those sorts of materials in the air, so it's great that the filter's been able to capture them so successfully.